All right, hey guys, so here we are at GABS, it's 2024. This is Brisbane, it's the first day, it's Friday. We're gonna get into it. So here we are at the Brew Baron Beer Co. And we did a collab beer with them called the Ukrainian Golden Ale. It's a brand new style. It's called Hopeful Dream. We're just going to try and get Maddie to talk to us and pour us one, hopefully. This is a style that we found online, and you said, oh, fucking brew one.
Let's do it.
Yeah, yeah.
Let's go nuts.
What do you reckon of it? What, are you happy with it?
Oh, yeah, I think it has turned out much better than I could ever hope for. It's got a bit of malt to it. That coriander comes through a lot more
It really does, yeah.
It's still got some sweetness, a bit of bitterness. It's a depth for a 6% beer. It is pretty smashable.
It's very smashable. I've got to be careful that I don't drink all this in the first 5 minutes of interviewing people.
Exactly.
Go around, but yeah, no.
That's right, you want another one there.
Yeah. So you can't go anywhere in Brisbane without catching up with Beer Tragic.
Absolutely not.
What are you expecting to see here at GABS this year, and what are you looking forward to?
I mean, so far I've just had the Hiker orangey porter, whatever it is.
Oh, yeah.
Really cool.
Yep, nice. Yeah,
really nice.
Oh, we got the Ukrainian Golden Ale that the Brew Baron Beer Cafe did for us.
That sounds
tasting
good.
great, mate.
I mean, there's always new shit. Good
Speaking
shit.
of shit, I want to taste that Camel Dung.
Oh,
Smoke beer. Holy smokes, it's called.
I haven't tried that one.
No, it's on the container bar.
Oh, on the container bar.
Yeah.
I'll check out for it.
We'll go and have to find it.
But I want to go and check out some of the other things going on. Like you said, Helios has a new branding.
New branding, yeah.
So things like that.
Yeah, we'll chat to Hiker as well. They got a new venue that they're going to come out with.
I was excited about that. But it's going to be great. There's always new excitement, and there's always the up and coming over here, which is fantastic.
Yeah. Well, mate, I better let you get another glass. I will too. Cheers, man.
Yep.
See ya. So this is a pretty special moment for us because Drew and Janelle are here from Common People, and we missed out on talking to anyone there when we went on our big tour, and ironically, the next episode was probably supposed to be them, but they weren't there, so we didn't get to chat to them because it was flooding and everything. So, and I forgot to reconfirm an email.
Schedules.
Is this your first GABS?
It is.
It is.
Yeah. Have you ever come as a punter?
Yeah.
Nice to be on the other side.
Yeah. What are you hoping to get across to people? Is it more where you are, or just your beers, or?
Yeah, a bit of both. I think it's been really nice to be chosen as one of the up and coming brewers. So we feel very chuffed about that.
Yeah,
so it's more just an awareness, I think, to let people know who we are and where we are. And
it's a great part of the world where you guys are from down there. So it's
love it there.
You want people to come there and experience it, right?
Absolutely,
Yeah, we had the best time driving around, and
it's a real destination. Yeah, totally. Yeah. No, it's good to come up here and be able to see all the other brewers doing their things as well. Taste what else is out there. All in one spot. So we really like it.
Yeah, well, we had the Belgian blonde that you guys had when we were there. It was just in
Was
tank,
it Billy Cart blonde, or so? Was it the Billy Cart, or the Legrand?
Yes. Oh man, that was amazing.
That was a good winner.
Craig just keeps wandering through. But that was an amazing beer. I love that. But I had to drive, so I obviously had to temper what I was drinking. And Joel was going hell for leather.
We brewed a fruited hazy just for GABS.
Yep.
The Purple Pink Leader. I'll let you talk about it though, because you're the
well, it's an IPA, it's double dry hopped IPA, but what we've done is we've added some actual fresh blueberries to it as well, so probably not so commonly done with a double dry hopped IPA. Gives a real sort of almost like an American lolly kind of finish, but you got that full dry hop fruited kind of flavour that you'll get from a heavy IPA at 6.6 as well, which you wouldn't know about drinking it. And it's bright purple.
Yep.
All comes. Sing the song while you're drinking.
Purple people eater, kind of playing words with common people and all that. Yeah, just a bit of fun for the GABS brew and just
that's
put that
great.
together,
But what else did you bring? Is it?
We brought our other flagship beer at the moment, which is our El Sabro Hazy IPA. That's like a really punchy, fruity, up front kind of.
I would have had that one.
Yeah, you would have.
Because I love Sabro and I taste that.
Yeah, you get a lot of that pineapple notes up front, and it's a thick mouthfeel with a bit of a coconut finish. And, really low on the bitterness, so super sessionable. But it did really well for us. It got us a gold at the International Beer Awards, and so we're pretty stoked about that one. And thought we'd bring it up to showcase it here at GABS for the first time too. So.
Mate, for sure.
Yeah, mate.
I'm definitely going to come back and try that purple people eater.
Bloody
We're just halfway through our Ukrainian golden ale that we brewed with the Brew Baron Beer Code just around the corner here. So, if you duck around, it's
Ukrainian.
We just found it as a style that they're trying to get into the thing,
good.
and off they went, and Matt brewed it for us, I know the head brewer, so
I'm going to head around there and get one of them myself.
I'm going to head around a few places, I reckon. So here we are at Hiker's stand. Where's your second stand?
Well,
It's not a second stand, it's a second venue.
Yes.
Got announced today. How are you finding GABS? Are you having a good time already? It's only early, it's sort of just kicked on.
Yeah, it's just kicked off, but the atmosphere's great and a lot of nice people, and I think, it's going to be a great night for everyone.
Where's your dad?
Good question.
Have you lost him already?
Yes. He's not behind the bar. He's
Wasn't he
having a good
working
time.
tonight?
Probably not, but I stepped in for him.
No, fair enough. He's got to let his hair down. Well, he doesn't have any hair left, but he's got to enjoy himself because he's going to be under the pump when this second venue kicks on, hey?
Definitely, yeah.
What's your GABS beer? What's your special one?
It's a choc orange
It's a porter.
Yeah. I was going to say stout, but it's a porter. I haven't actually tried it yet.
Well, you better make sure you do.
Yeah, maybe tomorrow night.
Yeah, nice.
I'm here celebrating and not working behind the bar.
Nice, all right, we'll hold you for that.
Yes.
Hey mate, how
Fresh
are you?
off last year with the Biscoff
Porter.
Biscoff Porter.
Yeah,
You won People's Choice of.
People's Choice.
Yeah, what have you got out for us this year?
This year we're doing the kelp stout, so a little bit interesting.
Yeah.
Bit of obviously that seaweed style into a stout beer. Just giving it a nice salty background.
Yep.
Well, kind of like a salted chocolate.
Okay. Yeah, nice.
Stout. So yeah, a bit
Does it have that seaweedy, that seafoody?
No, it definitely doesn't.
Like
and that's
an
probably
oyster
why
stout?
people will probably think, oh, that might taste disgusting, but it kind of is more like not edamame, but that sort of style in a beer where it's very salty but very chocolatey. So it comes through really well. The 7% doesn't taste like 7%.
Yeah, nice. All right, well mate, I might neck this one.
Neck it, and make sure you come around later and sort you out with a beverage. Obviously, what would you like to try? The kelp. Are you ready for the kelp?
I don't think I am. No, can I get you got an IPA or something? Yeah, 100% New Zealand IPA. So what's with the get-up? Why?
Well, we knew it was going to be a pink party, and we knew we needed to come hard and fast. Fresh shoes for the fit as well.
Some new dunks, are they?
Adjunta AF ones, but we're notorious for doing this. So we've got to run it again for GABS.
Did you just go like, fuck yeah, I'm getting the shoes that match my hair? Is that what it was?
I almost went pink with the hair. I almost did, but I had to bow down. It was getting too hectic for that.
Yeah. I saw Ian wandering around.
Oh, is he around?
He is around.
You can't see me like this. I
reckon he's going to, mate. You stand out.
I will. I'm going to have to hide in a corner somewhere with just my skewy and just hopefully I get through it all.
How's the brewing going?
It's going great. Yeah. Working for Watson is just it's a blessing. I love doing it. Loving the industry right now.
He's an encyclopedia.
Oh, it's just phenomenal. I'm very, very blessed to be working underneath him.
Yeah.
So just loving the vibes tonight. Love GABS Festival. Love what it brings to the community. And it feels like we're all on the same team tonight. And
have you got a beer pick or something that you must have or you want to try?
I've been hearing whispers about like a smoked Camel Dung situation.
Holy smokes, man. That's the one.
I've been hearing whispers.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna
definitely. That's on my list too, man. It's right up there. I can't wait to try.
I got to try that, man.
Sounds sick. When we've filmed all of these, that's where we're going. We're going to go and buy one and.
Sweet. That's the one I'm looking forward to.
Yeah. So recently, we were at the ABS, Mikey's Brewery. your beer?
Oh no, it was the head brewer's brew.
Well, it doesn't matter, but you got to get up on stage and collect the trophy for your beer. So how was that experience, man? What was that like?
Well, it's something I've always sort of worried about, like how freaked out I would be to like hear our name up.
Yeah.
But the experience is more like we spent the entire time celebrating we got nominated and almost missed that we actually won it.
Yeah, right.
So I was like, oh wait, that's us. So yeah, run up, great fucking experience.
Yeah. So for those who don't know, your brewery is located like 5 stories.
Last time I checked,
Top
it's
of a
the
building.
only rooftop brewery in the Southern Hemisphere.
Yep.
And the largest capacity one on a rooftop in the world.
Yeah, right.
But that could have changed in the years that
Who
we've
knows
opened.
with the amount of breweries? Yeah. Guys, here we are. We're chatting to Matty Wilson from 7 Mile. Mate, how's it going for you today? It looks pretty busy. Like we had to angle our way in and push our way past the crowd.
No, that's it. We're stoked to be here. This is our first GABS that we've had a stall at GABS.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, so
right.
we've done a beer, I think pretty much every year for the last 6 years. We've had a beer on the big bars, but first year we've turned up.
Yeah.
Running 6 taps.
Hey, you kind of look popular.
Yeah, no, it's great. We've got a few fans around. We're running a little tapper arcade machine that we borrowed from Netherworld.
Yep.
Got a bit of a promo going tonight. You can.
We saw that out there. You win your weight in beer. Joel and I decided that I would be the one that tries to win the prize rather than him.
We thought there'd be a few people that might try to game that. You know, get all the blokes to do it. All the
go over near the Vine Stefan and eat a few bratwurst and
have a couple of hot dogs first. You know,
right,
to get in there. So, a bit of a promo, a bit of fun.
What's your GABS beer this year? What did you put in?
It's called Blue Monkey. It's the name's about 1 trillion words long. It's a imperial smoothie sour, but it's a blueberry banana pancake imperial smoothie sour.
Holy shit!
Yeah,
even you're struggling to say.
Yeah, it's just look, it's a GABS beer. It's got to be a bit ridiculous.
100%.
Not something we'd just pour at our local venue for sure.
Yeah,
but for GABS you turn it on.
Yeah, 100%. Mate, how you going? This is a pretty exciting GABS for you guys. You got a big stand. Brand new, clean, branding. It looks amazing. I've been pointing a lot of people to come over here and take a look at it because it's pretty excellent.
Been pretty happy with the comments.
Yeah. What is everyone?
We finalised the artwork like 4 days ago, so it's
got to finish and start somewhere, right?
Yeah. So the cans will start rolling out in the weeks ahead. So it's nice to have the core range sort of freshened up. And
So the core range will stay at 375s, and then all your specialties are going to go up to 440s. And
the limiteds will stay in the 440s.
Nice.
These will all be 375s.
Yeah.
They're the same beers. Like,
yeah.
So the beers won't change, but obviously the look will.
What are you looking forward to here at GABS? Is there anything that you've seen or heard that you're like, oh, I definitely want to have that at crack? Ukrainian Golden Ale.
I want to try that beer. I will go hunt that down. There's a couple of beers at Barron's that I want to try Matt's like ridiculous marshmallow beer.
Oh he's got his cream and
then I'd have it after I eat my dinner, like a big dessert or something.
Yep. Yeah. What are you drinking at the moment?
This is the Helios and Spotty Dog collab. The red lager.
Yep.
So
nice.
Oh, we're getting interrupted, mate.
No. Sarah didn't know, wasn't aware we were filming, and she loves being on camera.
Yeah.
Hi.
There we go.
Yeah, it's have you got anything around here that you're on your list that you're like, oh, I must try that, I've heard about it, or?
Oh, mate, not really. Like, I think this is more going to be an adventure, and I'll just get surprised, really.
Nice.
So,
You come to a lot of these things. You love your craft beer. I mean, just a bit. Yeah. What's your pick so far? Where have you gone and you've just been like, oh, I'm definitely coming back to this beer?
So I've done a couple of laps now in Seeker.
Yep.
Wow.
Oh, yeah. I love those boys.
Their smoothie is unreal, and their triple-double IPA.
Yep.
And one of those big ones.
Yeah.
So that got me going.
Yeah, nice. Rusty Pennyman, where are you guys from?
Penrith, New South Wales.
Yeah, sweet. So how long have you been going for?
About 5 years now.
Yeah, okay, cool.
So,
is this your first GABS in Brisbane, or first GABS ever, or?
We did Sydney the last 2 years.
Yep.
And then, this was the first one in Brisbane.
Yeah, nice.
So,
what sort of brewery are you? Like, do you concentrate more on sours or IPAs or anything you feel like?
Honestly, it's a bit of everything. Like, we've got a pretty big tap room now. We can fit 120 people. We've got 24 taps. So we go lagers through to IPAs. I'm not the biggest fan of sours, so we normally have one on tap and that's about it.
Yeah, yep.
Just rotate through. Much prefer, our IPAs and our stouts and darker beers. So,
yeah, nice.
Yeah.
I'm drinking the Red Rye IPA, was it?
Yeah. So the combo of both darker beer and the IPA and the hops.
Yeah.
It's
What's your favourite beer that you guys brew? Like, is there something that the punters love the most, or is there something that you guys prefer to brew, or where's that line meet?
It's a bit of both. You always been out west. Lagers are always fucking popular.
Yep.
But personally, I've got a black IPA that I love. Can't get enough.
I love black IPAs, man.
And the customers do too.
Yeah. Man, what have you guys got going on? What did you give me here? What is it?
Strawberry smoothie sour, 6.5%.
Oh, man, it smells delightful. It smells like blueberry yogurt, sort of.
Oh, yeah.
It's got a yogurty vibe for sure.
40% puree, mate. So.
Oh, mate, how good is that? Man, so you guys are always doing cool shit, and with a whole bunch of people. Your beers aren't known for being, run-of-the-mill, small 4%ers that everyone drinks at a pub every day. They're big beers, big flavours, big bold ideas. Who comes up with all of this stuff? Is it you guys? Do you reach out to people? Do they reach out to you? How does it?
It's definitely just all of us. We just all this is the beers that we want to drink. So it's the beers we want to brew, and we're coming up 5 years.
Me versus Jeff. Just what do we want to? What do we want?
I want this. No, I want this. Oh, this is what we're doing. What's your favourite beer style that you haven't yet done a collab with anyone?
Oh, that's such a good question.
Good one.
Mate, it's not my first day, mate. Yeah, I've done this about a few times.
It would definitely be like a wild, like some sort of wildflower beer, maybe, or like a barrel-aged wild fermented thing.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
Like maybe barrel shepherd. These are things that I'm not that's not my forte, and I respect it. So I want to do it,
Yeah. How good are having some of those beers every now and again, and you're like, just want to know.
It's just like, it's good to just get something in a barrel with those guys. That's their thing,
Yeah. Well, man, I'm going to get out of here. I've got to get out of here and drink a few more beers. And I'm going, I've done all the interviews. We're going to taste the Camel Dung smoked beer, the holy smoke.
Yeah, can you just get a paddle of that and I'll just try some?
Fucking oath, man. I'll bring some around. Yeah. We'll all have a crack.
I'll pay you back.
Yeah, fuck it. It's on me. Let's just do it, I reckon.
It's got my curiosity.
Yeah. What number did you reckon?
97.
Totally couldn't read that from back there. Can I please get 5 of 97?
5 of 97?
Yeah, thank you.
You're not the 97?
Don't know yet. It's the camel shit beer, so... Look at this. This right here is a flight of camel poo beer. Granted, it's not all camel poo. Alrighty.
We're not shotting it.
No, we're not shotting it.
Oh, okay.
No, we're just tasting it, getting our reactions. Cheers.
Ready? Reactions. It's warm.
Yum.
That's a good beer.
Slightly smoky.
It's got that grassy ass fucking...
I actually really like it. I'm going to say that now.
It's got a bit of Vegemite in it.
Yeah.
It's vegetable.
It is a Welsh beer though. I don't like smoke.
Rocky, you've had like hardly a sip, mate. Look at how much.
Smoke.
Yeah.
I don't like smoke.
That's the wrap up for GABS for this year. It's pretty epic. Smoky beer. I need to go and get a beer. But I really enjoyed that. I actually did enjoy that. I love smoky beers. Yeah. I reckon I wouldn't be able to have a couple of pints, but I would have a pint of it for sure.
I'd have 90 mils of it.
Yep.
And that's me.
Yeah, fair enough.
Cheers.
No worries. Cheers, legend.
Cheers, man.
No worries.
See you, brother.
See you, mate.